Aquaphor Baby Healing Ointment, for chapped skin, by Aquaphor is one of the best baby diaper creams and ointments products. One essential solution for your baby's many skincare needs, Aquaphor Baby Healing Ointment is uniquely formulated to provide the extra gentle care your baby's tender and delicate skin needs. This multi-purpose ointment can be used for many of your baby's skin needs, from chapped cheeks to minor scrapes and scratches, to diaper rash, to the dry skin associated with eczema, and many more, so your baby stays happy, healthy, and protected. Relieves diaper rash within 6 hours. Pediatrician recommended. Clinically proven to restore smooth, healthy skin. Preservative and fragrance-free. Uniquely formulated with 41% petrolatum to allow oxygen to flow and help heal the skin. Skin Protectants Ointment with panthenol and glycerin to moisturize, nourish and protect the skin to enhance healing. For baby's dry, chapped or irritated skin. Active ingredient, petroleum. Inactive ingredients, mineral oil, sericin, lanolin alcohol, panthenol, glycerin, bisabolol.